Now today we received a top secret package from UAG in the mail, and it's in this case. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the civilian line of cases for the iPhone 11. Let's check it out. Now this week we received the special package from UAG highlighting a brand new line of cases that they have available now for the iPhone 11 line. So we're going to go ahead and pop open the secret case so you can see what I received. So this is what the case looked like, and it had these photos of a civilian with a phone in their hand. And you'll notice here's some close-ups of the civilian, and then here we have the case. So what we're looking at are two cases, and we're going to put them to the side here. These two cases are from the civilian line. We're going to see what they look like on the iPhone. We'll see what's changed and why you may want to pick up one of these cases for your iPhone 11. Now, as we take a closer look at the case, you'll notice that there are some similarities and there's also some differences here. So both of these cases are going to support your iPhone depending on which size you have. You notice that they have the internal honeycomb pattern here that's going to absorb any kind of impact. And as we flip them over, has kind of almost like a I don't know, would you call it a military look almost with this color? At least I like the green here, looks pretty sharp. Has Urban Armor gear on it, and it has all the appropriate cutouts. And this is made out of two different materials almost. You know, you have your strong polycarbonate, you have some TPU on the sides, and again, this is the area that's the most flexible for putting your phone in the case and taking it out. But again, really nice looking cases. They feel nice in the hand, and I like the way the controls feel. Let's go ahead and put in some phones in the cases and see what they look like. Now, taking a closer look at the cases with phones in them, the cases do a really nice job of protecting the lens of your camera. You can see how that looks right there. The cutouts align really nicely, right? Buttons are really responsive and are easy to click. And the screen protection is really nice too. So as we put this in an angle here, you notice how it comes out. This will even work well if you have a screen protector. Feels nice in the hand, and it has a really nice look to it. As we take a look at this other one here, you'll notice same attributes except it's for the larger iPhone. Same screen protection, same cutouts, and this is, again, a really cool option for those of you who are looking for a different look in case, because definitely we're not seeing this look or appearance with other cases. So let me know what you think about these cases in the comment area below.